Welcome to an extraordinary journey along the sacred Ganges River, where spirituality, culture, and nature intertwine. Our exploration begins at the very source of this mighty waterway, the Gangotri Glacier. Located high up in the majestic Himalayas, the Ganges originates from the Gangotri Glacier, which is nestled at an elevation of over 4,000 meters. This pristine glacier serves as the birthplace of the mighty river, as it slowly melts and gives birth to the holy waters of the Ganges. As the Ganges descends from the glaciers, it gains momentum and power, carving its way through the rugged terrain. Its journey takes it through various regions, including the vibrant city of Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh, India. Kanpur, located on the banks of the Ganges, is an important industrial and cultural hub in Uttar Pradesh. It has a rich historical legacy, with its origins dating back to ancient times. The Ganges plays a vital role in the daily lives of Kanpur's residents. It serves as a source of water for various purposes, including irrigation, industrial use, and household consumption. However, the rapid industrialization and urbanization in Kanpur have taken a toll on the Ganges' health. The river faces significant pollution challenges, primarily due to industrial waste and sewage discharge. Efforts are underway to address the pollution in the Ganges. Government initiatives and environmental organizations are working towards cleaning the river and restoring its ecological balance. Despite the challenges, the Ganges remains a symbol of spirituality and devotion in Kanpur. It is not uncommon to witness devotees performing religious rituals and taking holy dips in the river, seeking purification and blessings. Kanpur's association with the Ganges has also inspired a rich cultural heritage. The city is known for its unique ganga tapestry, a beautiful blend of Hindu and Muslim traditions, showcasing the harmony and diversity of the region. The Ganges continues its onward journey from Kanpur, flowing through other cities and landscapes, leaving its mark on the lives and cultures of countless people along its path. As we conclude our journey through the Ganges River, we reflect on the profound significance it holds for millions. From its humble origins in the Himalayas to its majestic presence in Kanpur and beyond, the Ganges River remains a testament to the power of nature, the depth of spirituality, and the resilience of humanity.